Hello folks, Washington State Picker here. You know, I recorded 2 videos yesterday that I didn't post because I was trying to get Bill Bacardi's 230 open. And I've had a busy night, 2 doctor's appointments and whatnot, so got home, I figured I would try 248 that Bill just sent me. Thank you, Bill. It's a Marks, I guess. I know you can get different keys that fit different keyways. But, you know, typical Bacardi, I mean, that thing's smooth as butter. Yeah, I don't know how he does it. Mine always have a tick. I don't know what to do to change that, or do I want to change that? I'm going to use one of UK Lock Picker's picks here. I had a little bit of luck with a good false set with the Sparrows, but I'm going to try this one first. Top of the keyway, 50 thousandths. Don't remember the brand, don't care. This one gives a decent false set, unlike 230 where the false sets are really very minor. I mean, there's a start of a false set there. You guys can't see, can you? Sorry about that. There we go. I really need a bigger table. I need one the size of Bronx Lock Picker 60s. Or no, Alabels. I need an Alabel table, man. Thought about getting a plastic one. Looking at yard sales and whatnot. Fold up plastic one and use it. It'd probably be more sturdy than the one I got. The one I got's barely held together. Been meaning to bring screws from home here to fix it, and I just never have. If I wiggle it, I mean, all my locks fall off my shelf. Yeah, it's kind of fun. I'm going to start over. I found if I pick off of this side ledge, I get a better feel for what's going on, but it's really hard with these thicker picks to do that. So I'm going to go back to the Sparrows short hook that I bent. Well, I bent this one many times. I think I've bent all my Sparrows. They're very flimsy. But they bend right back and they keep on a-working. I can't, picking on this ledge like that, it's really hard to tell what pin I'm on. I don't even know if I'm hitting them all. There's false set. There's another little more false set. Just touched 4, I believe. But like I said, I don't know. So I'm going to talk out my butt here and say it was 4. 5 is binding. 6 is binding. I'm not getting any counter. There, I got 6 set maybe. And there now. A 5 is springy. I don't know. Once I get to this point, I have a very hard time. See what that hook looks like here. Try to sneak up under 1. I think I dropped something. Pardon the TV. I forgot to turn it down. I just got a hair up my hiney and decided to, there's a little more false set. Or maybe it's the old false set I had, I don't know. I'm going to pick from the bottom up through that warding. There's a little more. Maybe that's the key, I don't know. When I picked 230, Bill's 230, that one time I was picking off of the side. Ooh, a lot of counter on 1, or I think it's 1 or 2. Yep, just lost my false set. Let's see if I can't get it back. The thing about Bill's locks, they're like those Chinese finger traps, you know. Once you get in there, you just can't get out, man. Get a false set, you lose a false set. Get it back, lose it again. I think he makes them so that when you set one, the others fall. I really do. I really think he's a voodoo master too. But then again, I see a lot of people on Facebook picking his locks every day. Carlson's picked a couple of them. And Jason's quite the freaking picker. I wish I lived closer. I could learn something from him. When I get a lock, it's luck. 100% of the time. Except for maybe I Pity the Spool. That one I could read. And I like those. I like to be able to read the lock and duplicate. But that's so rare for me. I feel counter. Either that or it's my pick torquing the core. I can't get under one. Do I have a deeper hook? I think I grabbed all my spectacular customs here. As you can see, I'm kind of rough on my picks. Probably shouldn't be. I think this Carlson hook will work. I think I'll be able to, with that nice smooth swoop, I should be able to reach right up and touch number one. Maybe not. But it's stuck in the warding. Nope. Oh shit, almost lost my tensioner. I'm gonna sneak him on the side of the ledge there. See what I can't get. I didn't show you the bidding. You know, it's typical up and down. There's a couple three cuts, 4 or 3 cuts, 1, 2, 3 3 cuts, and then there's a 1 cut, and then there's like a 9 cut, and then there's a 7 cut in it. Kind of all over like Bill does. Got this really high pin. Ooh, more core movement. Ooh, a little more again. I think I'm back to where I was. That scared me. It felt like it was open. And I wasn't looking at the lock. I was looking at the key. A lot of times I don't even look at the lock when I'm picking it. I just feel it. Now I'm going to lose the false set when I get to 2. Watch. I don't think I even touched anything. Shh, I'm hitting warding, I think. These first 2 pins are really hard to get to with this warding. Okay, I got some counter. I'm going to sneak back in here with this one. I think I can get it. If you've never used a UK lock pick, well worth the money. Well worth the money. I can't get it. Try the sparrows. Maybe I can sneak in there. I felt counter, and I believe it was 2. Dadgun it. Can't get up in the warding with Carlson's picks, but maybe I can get it from the shelf. All right, time for Peterson Jam. This thing has gotten me out of troubles many times, and I think I'll be able to pick off of this little ledge. Yeah, and get to the pin I want. Skanky dingbat. I love Alan. He is awesome. He's one of my heroes. I don't know if that's a pin or the warding, but I'm going to counter rotate. Well, I got it, I think, but I lost my false set doing so. I was looking for that one that gave me counter rotation, and I couldn't find it. It just went away. I think Bill puts, there's my false set back. I think Bill puts disappearing pins in these. Voodoo. I was reading on Facebook, somebody, Carlson picked one of his or something, and somebody says, if you have a Bacardi lock, those are full of 4-letter words. That's right. 230 is a fun lock. I just wish I could figure out the puzzle and get it again on camera. I'll look at the key again really quick. So I need a deep hook to get to, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. So to get to pin 5, I'm going to need a really deep hook, and I'm going to need to get back there behind it. I'm going to try this bad boy up through the warding, because these will go through the warding. Well, maybe not. Yeah, they're going through the warding, but it's so tight, I'm probably scraping these picks up. Okay, didn't get anywhere. I think I dropped more than I set. More core movement. I think I'm back to where I was in the beginning. I drop stuff, set stuff, drop stuff, set stuff, and I don't know what to do about that. I might try raking this if I don't get it on camera right now. I'm going to go to 20 minutes. And I'm going to rake the crap out of it, because that's what I do. I thought about bumping some of these challenge locks and seeing if, you know, putting all these fancy security pins in it will keep it from being bumped. Speaking of bump, I ordered some more bump stop springs. Those are the really hard to push ones. They're like Bic lighter springs. I sent one to a gentleman in Holland. I think it was Gustafson or whatever. And Hampus. And he showed me the lock and the pin plate that holds the pins down. It's all warped. Where that spring is. Oh, it's classic. I love it. I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. I might pick one of mine tonight, or try to pick one of mine tonight. I set it up so I'd get a real deep false set. It's the one that Bacardi's getting. I want to see if it really works. It should give you a monster false set. Oh, I'm open. Thank goodness. Bill Bacardi lock on camera, first time. Took me a while. Ah! Oh God, this is cause for celebration for me. Put my picks away so I don't lose them. Yeehaw, Bill Bacardi locked down. This is one I just started picking on tonight. Where's my tension wrench? Oh, I'm excited. Yay. I might actually advertise this one on Facebook. Oh, criminy. Get you out of the way without breaking my toes. Get you out of here, bad boy. Big old bad boy. Bill Bacardi. Bad boy. I'm going to lock her back up since I have the key. Perfect. Oh, I hate these clips. I need to get one of those Euro style clip removers. They work so much better than this. I might actually text Bill and tell him I got it open. I cannot believe it. Oh good, I got it loosened. Now, can I get... Ouch. I just jabbed myself. There we got her. Yeehaw! I didn't think I was going to get it. I was actually going to stop there real soon. Thank goodness. Get you in view. Get you here. We'll shim it because it felt like it had some nasties in it. If I can get a shim in it. Some of these fancier locks are really tight. All right, come on. Sometimes if I rotate the cylinder while I insert it, it works. I may not be able to get a shim in it. There we go. Little at a time, little at a time. I might have chipmunks. Oh, son of a gun. Well, you know what? This may be a catastrophe. I don't want it to be. I don't want to mix the frickin' pins up. At least I've got Bill's cell number. I'll just text him the pins and ask him if it's right. Try it again. This shim is kind of old and used. This one's going in, this other end goes in nicely. Okay, we're good. Do this. Just turn it this way though so I don't drop the key pins. And bada boom. Yeah, we do kind of have a T-pin there in slot 1. You see that? Ooh, looks like an engine. Okay. Pin 1, T-pin. Pin 2, standard. Pin 3, standard. Shed some light on the situation. What do you think? Pin 4. Pin 4 is a nasty looking serrated. Looks like it's about a mile frickin' long. I think I got it upside down. He reduced the diameter on the head. Hell, I don't know. I will have to text him that. And the hole's been wallowed out too. Which one are we on? Okay, we're on 5. 5 is standard. Shit. And 6. Standard. A lot of standards. That must be why I was able to pick it. But then again, a lot of times I can't pick standards. So in the Bible, or in the... Use my Alabel Special flashlight. Looks like undercutting in 6 and 5. Threading and kind of wallowed out in 4. 3 has been undercut. 2 is undercut and 1's standard. Let's go up here. Take this badass shim out of it. And that one, God, I'm shaky. That was just a standard. Looks like a steel spring. I hate shaking. I got my blood work done today, or results back. They tell me I have higher cholesterol than I should, and some other numbers high, heart attack crap, blah, blah, blah. Then they always ask, anybody in your family have heart disease? And I don't know who my friggin' father is, but that's a nice spool. My mother, she had high blood pressure. Really sucks not knowing who your father is. Did the ancestry DNA and I just got a hit. Dude might be my third cousin. Hell, I don't know. That there, another spool. I didn't get any really deep false sets. I'm really surprised. It's kind of upsetting. I do have to try to pick that one I have that I set up for false sets then, because maybe it won't have them either. That one doesn't want to come up. There it is. Oh no. Well, it's standard anyway. Sorry for the long video, folks, but at least I picked it before the 20-minute mark. Oh. If you want a shot at this lock, let me know. Let me know in the comments. I've got a package going to Bill. I have one going to Jason Carlson that I didn't have time to mail today. I will mail it tomorrow, buddy. Ooh, I like that one. Looks like a bottle spool. If you want this one, let me know. Got Bill's package almost ready to go. I'm waiting to make him one more lock. I'm waiting on my Corbins to come in. This looks like a pin and pin. Is that a... That's not a pin and pin. That's just a nasty booger, man. I'll tell you. Well, let's look in the Bible. Then I'll go over all the pins. I've left my flashlight on. They all look standard. I know he doesn't do anything to the Bible anymore, but you never know. I like to undercut the Bibles when I can. Especially when I have a pin and pin, because it makes the Bibles, makes the pins stick. Okay. Alright, so let me get my fancy pointer out. I think that's upside down. That's upside down. This is a T-pin. T-pin in one. Standard. Beautiful spool there, buddy. Standard. Standard. Another nice spool. Standard up top. And this thing here, it's really cool looking. It's got a reduced diameter. Either that or I have it upside down. I don't know. It's gotta be... Well, no, I think it goes down that way, and the serrations are, so when you go to lift it up, that's the way I think it came out. This one's a nice spool, standard, and this beautiful thing here. Look at that bad boy. Man! And that might be upside down. That might need to go this way. I will take a picture and send it to you, Bill. Anyway, folks, thank you all for watching. Did I lose all my springs? Ah, here they are. I think these are yours. How did I do that? Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Bill, I finally got one of your locks. I'm going to turn the camera off and do some jumping jacks and yell and scream and be happy. Again, thanks for watching. I might do some chipmunks. Y'all take care now.